G'day guys, Ross here in the garden. Now you've probably seen the movie Forrest Gump and you see Tom Hanks sitting on a park bench talking about his friend Jenny. And he says, "Jenny and me, we will have peas and carrots." Now if you close your eyes and use your imagination, that sounds like a much cheaper version than me paying Paramount's licensing fee, so it's the best you're going to get today. Anyway, peas and carrots. I always thought, what interesting product placement. Straight from the frozen food section of the supermarket, where of course you find peas and carrots. But it turns out there's a really good reason that peas and carrots should be grown together. They're great bedfellows. Garden beds, of course, not the other type, dirty mind. I was given these yesterday by my neighbour. Now it's very late in the season, it's the very start of spring. Peas are a winter veg. You can put them in from mid-autumn all the way through until the start of spring. So I put them here in this trellis. And that's the first thing. They grow upwards. Carrots grow down. So from a real estate perspective, that's fantastic. They're not using the same space. They also grow at different times. The carrots, I'm going to put them in about 3 or 4 weeks, and then they'll germinate right at the start of October, and they're going to miss the frost. I've also got some peas that I put in the ground of my own from last year, and I've got some naturally occurring peas. And they've come from the pea straw that's in the ground. Whenever you use pea straw in your compost, you often get peas. I have no idea what type of pea is going to come out of that. But, as Mrs. Gump says, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. If I get chocolate peas, I will be very, very surprised. But to some degree, I don't really care. Because it's a new garden bed, and what these peas do, they're nitrogen setters. They're one of those vegetables that set nitrogen. So they take nitrogen out of the air. It's about 78-79% of what we breathe is nitrogen. And it puts it down into the root system. So when your peas are finished, you don't pull the peas out. You don't pull the roots out. If you must snip them off, then snip them, take the top, leave the roots in the ground, where the nitrogen is there and it can be used by heavy root feeders such as carrots. So they'll bring the nitrogen, carrots will use the nitrogen, so that's a great thing. Another thing is they'll provide shade for the young carrots. So in the morning they'll shade the carrots I'm going to put on that side, and in the afternoon it'll be vice versa. And the other thing is that they dissuade bugs from attacking the other vegetables. So there you go, Forrest Gump gardening. Great to grow together, great to eat together. All right guys, that's your tip for today. Thanks for your time as always, and until next time, happy gardening. See ya.